I tested 3 AI websites that pay up to $50 per day. No skills, no investment. Watch till the end. If you're from the United States and looking for real online income using AI, this video can help you. Let's start. The first AI website focuses on simple data and AI feedback tasks. You just sign up, complete small tasks, and submit your responses. Payments are usually sent through PayPal. On average, users earn around $10 to $15 per day, depending on task availability. This one is very beginner-friendly. The second platform is more advanced. It involves testing and reviewing AI-generated responses to help improve artificial intelligence systems. Because of the higher value work, payments are higher. Many users earn around $20 to $30 per day with consistency. This platform works best for people in the USA. Now this is my favorite one. This AI website focuses on validating and reviewing AI outputs. No experience is required. You can work flexible hours from your home. Tasks are simple, and the platform is easy to use. Anyone can start. Some users earn up to $50 per day, depending on availability and time spent. Openings change fast, so it's important to check early. Please remember, earnings depend on your effort, time, and platform demand. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. For more AI income videos, comment AI if you want a part 2. Thanks for watching.